Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo T1 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve your battery life. To improve battery life on your device, firstly, you just need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary services. So if you don't use Bluetooth right now, disable it, disable mobile network if you don't need it right now, disable hotspot, nearby share, disable the location services if you don't need to use maps right now, for example, and of course disable NFC. Great. And then the next step you need to do is to disable the light mode. So we need to enable the dark mode, because here on our device we have LED screen, and it means that our display was created from 1,000 micro LED lamps, and as you know, lamp can't produce black color, and it means that in the black places your lamps are just disabled. And if lamps are disabled, they are not consuming the battery power. So open display and brightness, dark theme, enable it. Great. And of course, the last step you can do to improve battery life is to enable the battery saver mode. So find here battery saver, and you can use battery saver mode, but in this mode your RAM will be limited, and before this your device will work longer, but background process will be killed instantly. You will close the application. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.